Hi there, this is Grace J. Power with my Pink Wink Cream and my Gold Sugar. I'm actually at the Gold Sugar shop today in Colorado and wanted to do a video to highlight a new product that I've been selling at bedazzle.com. It's also available at amazon.com. And as far as I know, it's the first of its kind on the market. Some people have asked for this for a while, and I finally took some time to put it together for other fellow spa owners or estheticians that are interested in offering anal and vaginal bleaching services in their salon. Before doing a more intense treatment for my customers, I was actually just applying the cream for their anal and vaginal service. But about a year and a half ago, or possibly even 2 years ago now, I came out with a more intense treatment that included microneedle therapy to push the Pink Wink Cream deeper into the skin layers, as well as a trichloric acid peel or TCA peel. There's also other steps in the procedure to just increase the effectiveness of it. Basically, the whole point is to fade the darker pigment to a lighter shade. So every step that you're doing is focused on decreasing the pigment in the skin. Along with that procedure, you are going to want your customers to use the My Pink Wink Cream at home on a daily basis to really get the full effects of the treatment and get the fastest results. So included in the kit are some extra Pink Wink creams that you can sell to your customers. And you also get the microneedle therapy pen that's part of the procedure. You get that in the kit, and that's probably one of the most valuable parts of it. And you get some of the needle pens, they're disposable tips that you would use on there with the little needle tips, and you get those in the kit too. So I really just wanted to do this video so people know that this is available to them. When you get the kit, it does include a step-by-step procedure list, so you will know, what do we do at the beginning of the service, middle, end, and everything in between. So it really makes it easy for you to start offering the service, and you don't have to create it from scratch or make something and not be sure if it's safe or not. We've been doing this procedure now long enough that we've used it on lots of different skin types. We've used it on women and men. We've used it on vaginal areas and male genital areas, and it works fine. It's safe. We haven't had any bad reactions, any problems with it. You will be given guidelines in the procedure so that you don't overdo it, because you don't want to do too many layers of the trichloric acid peel. You don't want to go with too deep of the needles with the pen, just a very low setting so that you're not going to hurt your customers. But as long as you follow the procedure the way that we set it out, it is safe, effective, and your customers should get fast results. It's also a good revenue maker. You will have your investment paid for in a very short time, probably after 2 to 5 customers, depending on how you price the procedure. But you can, at minimum, charge $100 per treatment for this. You could charge upwards to $250 or $300 for this service. It is not so high in demand, but there is more demand than what's available to people. So we have customers drive from miles and miles away, because we're one of the only places that offers this service in the area. And so people are willing to go the extra mile to have that done. Some people even fly in from other cities to Denver just to have the procedure done here at our shop at Gold Sugar. So I think it's smart for some salons to offer it. It's going to keep the price up if not everybody offers it, and I don't really see that everyone's going to want to offer it, because it is an intimate service. And just as I've seen salons and spas, not everyone even offers Brazilians or specific, for sure, male Brazilians. So if this is something that you think is a good fit for you, maybe you're already doing a lot of Brazilian services, this is an easy upgrade, upsell. and you've probably already had a request for it, people asking about it. So we just make it really easy to use the kit. You can go to bedazzle.com. If you are in the industry, you can go down to the bottom of the page and sign up for industry pricing. Once we get you set up with an account and approved for that, you will actually get a discounted rate on the package on the kit. So let me know if you have questions, or be in touch, or just go check it out. And you can also order by phone if that's easier than ordering online. Our phone number is 303-353-8011, and we can just invoice you through email or something like that. We can definitely take an order over the phone. So that's it. I will just be in touch with you as we get more details. I'd like to do a video where I actually show the procedure step by step, but in the meantime, just wanted to let everybody know about the kit. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in today. Bye.